everyone, welcome to Tech Power. This is the very first video of our Java series, and if you have ever wanted to learn programming but did not know where to start, well, you're in exactly the right place. We are going to learn Java together, step by step, from absolute zero, no experience needed. So let's start with the most basic question. What is Java and why should you learn it? Why start with Java? Now you might be wondering, there are so many programming languages out there, why Java? Honestly, Java is one of the best languages you can start with as a beginner. It is clean, structured, and easy to read. When you look at Java code, it actually makes logical sense. It does not feel like random symbols on a screen. And here is the best part. Once you learn Java, picking up other programming languages becomes so much easier. Java gives you a strong foundation that everything else builds on top of. Why Java matters today? Java is not just a beginner language, it is one of the most powerful and widely used languages in the entire world. It powers Android applications, business systems, web servers, and banking platforms used by millions of people every day. Big companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix all use Java in their systems. So learning Java is not just about learning to code, it is about opening doors to real career opportunities in the tech industry. Why Java became famous? One of the reasons Java became so popular is its famous promise, write once, run anywhere. What does that mean exactly? It means that a Java program you write on your Windows computer can run on a Mac, a Linux server, or even a mobile phone without any major changes. Most programming languages back in the day were tied to specific operating systems. Java broke that barrier, and that is what made it truly special. Let me give you a very quick background on where Java came from. Java was created in the mid-1990s by a company called Sun Microsystems. The goal was simple: build a language that is portable, reliable, and easy to use across different devices. It grew incredibly fast and became one of the most popular languages in the world almost immediately. Today, Java is maintained by Oracle Corporation, and even after 30 years, it is still evolving and still highly relevant in the industry. That says a lot about how solid Java really is. The reason I chose Java as the starting point for Tech Power is because of how readable and organized it is. When I first started learning programming, Java was the language that made everything click for me. It made coding feel logical, like solving a puzzle where every piece has its place. And that is exactly the experience I want to create for you in this series. So, here is a quick look at what we are going to cover in this series. We will start by setting up everything you need on your computer, the tools and the coding environment. Then we will write our first Java program together, which is always an exciting moment. From there, we will move step by step through all the fundamentals: variables, operators, conditions, loops, methods, and much more. Each video is short and focused, so you can learn at your own pace without feeling overwhelmed. And that is your introduction to Java. I really hope you are excited to start this journey. If you are ready to begin, make sure to subscribe to Tech Power so you never miss a new lesson. In our next video, we are going to install the JDK and Eclipse, everything you need to start writing your very first Java code. I will see you there. Let's get coding.